Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet 2700 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the embedded web server language. To do it, you need to open the embedded web server, then click English here, or I don't know which language do you have here. So on the home and at the bottom of this page, click on it, and here you will see the list of available languages of the embedded web server of your printer. For example, if you want to use Deutsch, so choose Deutsch, wait a while, and great. As you can see now, I have all settings in the Deutsch. All I have in Deutsch, as you can see. If you want to change it to English again, it's very easy to do. Just choose this button again and click English. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.